To set up a Western Union direct deposit, start by gathering the necessary information and documents. You will need your bank account details, including the account number and routing number, as well as your Western Union account information. If you do not have a Western Union account, you will need to create one by visiting their website or mobile app. Once you have all the required information, log into your Western Union account and navigate to the direct deposit section. This is usually found under the Receive Money or Profile Settings tab. Click on the Set Up Direct Deposit option and enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. You will also need to verify your bank account by completing a test deposit. Western Union will send 2 small deposits to your account, which you will need to confirm by entering the exact amounts. This is a security measure to ensure that the account belongs to you and that the details are correct. After verifying your bank account, you will need to set up your direct deposit preferences. This includes choosing the type of transactions you want to receive via direct deposit, such as money transfers or bill payments. You can also set up automatic transfers to your bank account, which will save you time and effort in the long run. It is essential to review and confirm all the details before submitting your direct deposit setup. Make sure to check the account numbers, routing numbers, and other information to avoid any errors or delays. Once you have confirmed all the details, submit your direct deposit setup and wait for the verification process to complete. In a few business days, your Western Union direct deposit will be active, and you can start receiving money transfers and other transactions directly into your bank account. It is crucial to keep your Western Union account and bank account information up to date to avoid any issues or disruptions to your direct deposit service. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up a Western Union direct deposit and enjoy the convenience and security of receiving money transfers directly into your bank account.